So, as you probably have noticed, I've been gone for like a month. It feels like almost. I don't know how long it's actually been. But I did end up going up to Indiana with the Mercedes we had to take. GTR, actually the day before the trip, got a short in the wiring harness, so I had to just get that towed to the shop, have them figure that out while I was gone. But guys, we have something very, very exciting today, and I'm sitting on it. The wheels. So, as you know, the wheels were not in stock. They were back ordered or whatever. Well, while I was gone, the wheels got back in stock. So of course I had to buy them, like I had to. So I ordered them like as soon as I was coming back, and they just got here today. We still actually do not have this car strut apart. I will show you that in a hot second, but I haven't looked at these wheels yet. The other box is still inside. I need to open this like right now and look at this. I'm so excited. The moment of truth. Hopefully they aren't upside down. Ooh, they are upside down. Yo, you see them though? They look so good. I'm seriously so excited to get these on the freaking car. So, let me show you what's going on over here with the Scion and why it still doesn't have lowering springs and it's just still chilling up in the air. Over here, sway bar link. Here we are back at the sway bar link. Let me turn the lamp on. If you can see, it is totally, it's a circle. Guys, this used to be a hex, and in there, I don't think you can see, but in there is a torque bit, but the lip for the torque bit is so small that it's not gonna catch on anything. So my thought is if we undo the lowers for now, to be able to get the whole thing off, when it's off, I'll have, more maneuverability to be able to get that one off, the top sway bar link off, or at least retightened, whatever. But yeah, so we're thinking undo the bottom ones because I checked the bottom ones are the exact same. Hopefully it won't get stripped out like this bad boy. Otherwise we're gonna have to probably cut off the sway bar and buy whole new sway bar links. That's my option right now. And the top's still all loosened up here. So we got a lot to do in this car. We got the lowering springs to do. We got the wheels. We got to get new tires for the wheels because the old tires, so I've had this car for really a couple years now, and most of that couple years I was broke. So all my tires over there, the thread isn't bad on them, but they're all different brands. I'm pretty sure I don't even have two of the exact same brand of tires on the wheels for this car. So we got to get new new tires. And the alternator. The alternator is still out of this car. I still have to take it over to the alternator repair place up north a little bit to get that fixed. So we got a couple small things to do. And I ordered a bunch of wrap samples because I do want to wrap the Scion and I want to get the GTR wrap because I'm tired of the basic B white that everybody has. So I ordered a bunch of samples from this company, and then USPS put them in somebody else's mailbox yesterday. And so now I'm trying to figure out whose mailbox they're in and where they're at. So that's where we're at on that one too. So we just got a lot of small things to get done. We're gonna get it done, we're gonna get it knocked down, we're gonna get these wheels on this car, and it's gonna be looking so fresh. I'm so excited. I'm seriously so excited, guys. Alright, so I changed because it is way too hot for pants right now. Like, it's way too hot. But so, since it's so hot out today, I figured today I would take care of the tire stuff and things like that. So, right now, I got two of the wheels here, two are in the GTR, and we are going to the tire place right now. You get some good old-fashioned cell phone video because I forgot the camera. So, we have wheels but no tires still. So apparently 225/35 is more specialty than I thought. And I'm gonna pretty much have to order them. I went to a couple different tire shops in the area and they all said they would have to order them. A couple of them said they would be here tomorrow. I'll probably just go through them. It's some off-brand though that I've never heard of. We'll see if I want to go that cheap. It's like, I don't know, 70 bucks for the tires. So it's super cheap. But, I don't know, we'll see. Right now I'm going to get food because I haven't eaten yet today. And then it's looking like I may be forced to work on the car today. It's hot AF, but I may be forced to work on the car. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned this at all yet, but while in Indiana, since I took this car, I straight piped the Mercedes. I don't know if that's a thing that like anybody ever does, but it sounds so freaking good, so like not even mad about it. Not mad at all. Kinda extra happy about it. So I ended up going back to the first tire shop, I think it was, that I originally went to, and I ordered the wheels. Well, not the wheels, I ordered the tires. They're supposed to get in tomorrow, so they're gonna call me tomorrow when they get in, and then I'm gonna go, and then when they get in, I'm going to go over there and have them mount and balance the tires. I still have not gotten those freaking sway bars, sway bar links off of the freaking Scion. Guys, they are stuck. So I'm trying to figure out a way to do that without having to get new sway bar links. I still have to try and do my method of undoing the bottom. I haven't tried it yet because it was so hot, and then I was doing all the stuff with the tires and I was gonna take the alternator over, but then this big storm hit, so I was like, I'll wait to take the alternator over until the storm because I don't want to drive through the storm. And then the storm took too long and the alternator place was closed. Then I painted my fingernails. So I got really sidetracked today. Very sidetracked today. My thought process today was just not in a coherent line. It was just out of control. So we're gonna go ahead and end today like this. Tomorrow is gonna be a little bit more exciting. I'm gonna actually get the wheels and the tires together, and it's gonna be ready to go. And I'm for real taking the alternator over first thing in the morning. So it's gonna be for real get this car put together at this point. For real. Yeah. I'll see y'all next time. Latest.